Hey everyone, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of incredibly easy to use Excel tools that solve real-world problems. Today, I'm going to show you a tool that makes it effortless to sort addresses by distance from a specific location, right inside Excel. If you've ever needed to figure out which locations are closest to a customer, a job site, or your main office, this tool is going to make your life a whole lot easier. We've helped over 7,500 customers streamline tasks just like this across dozens of industries, from logistics and home services to field sales and dispatching. Every week, we get emails from users telling us how much time and effort our tools have saved them. Don't just take my word for it. Check out our 140-plus 5-star Google reviews filled with real feedback from users who've seen how much time and effort our tools can save. Here's the problem this tool solves. Let's say you got a target location. Maybe it's a specific address or just a zip code, and you want to figure out which other addresses fall within a set distance of that point. You want to see which of your contractors or service providers are within, say, 35 miles of that specific location. On your Excel sheet, let's call it the Contractors tab. You got a list of service providers and their addresses. After we've done that, in the next sheet, just enter the customer's address or zip code, set the mile range you want, and click Calculate. The tool instantly finds which entries fall within that distance, sorts the list accordingly, and shows you exactly who's closest. No more guessing, no more manual lookups, it's all automated. The tool gives you both straight line distances and actual driving distances pulled from Google Maps, so you can use whichever makes the most sense for your workflow. If this sounds like something that could help you, you can download the tool using the link in the description. If you need a customized version with extra features or unique logic, just reach out. Our contact info is in the description: phone, email, and live chat. And you'll always talk to a real person, never a bot. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel automation tools, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, happy calculating.